What? No! No. No. Hey.
Okay, good morning everybody. This is Pooh. He's just sitting all innocent and cute. Oh, no, he's trying to get as close as possible as he can to these waffles. Pooh! Don't. That is not yours. Not yours. That is Mommy's. Yeah, don't give me the blink eye face. He just thought, oh, look how cute I am. Just gonna sit here all innocent and purr. I don't want any waffles. Oh, maybe I do. Maybe I might just steal this waffle if this old lady is not looking. I think I might. Yes, I'm gonna. See, he has no shame. He steals it right in front of me and then eats it on my lap. Get off of me with that. Unbelievable. You have no shame.
What'd you take from Mom? Excuse me. Excuse me, Miss Azura. Azura? Have you no shame, lady? Nope, none at all. Oh boy. Oh, the cute tactic. And back to mischievousness.
Porter, what are you walking away with? Why do you have a celery? You're gonna actually eat it? You're so weird.
What you doing? Just helping yourself, are you? Just going right in the bag, hey? He's here? Where is he? Cheeky, what are you doing? What are you doing, Cheeky? Don't be a bad cat. You're being a mean cat, Cheeky. Don't steal. That's robbery, you. That's robbery.
Running across the bottom, but then no under there. So my plan is
Someone is such a mean. You're being a bad boy. I guess. Good boo boo. Hit.
No. Do you want the chicken?
And then she'll move her legs so she can kind of move herself closer.
Tana?
Tana.
Tana? Tana?
Yeah, huh?
You're not supposed to have that, are you? Huh? No, Tana.
No, Tana.
Tana, no.
Tana, no.
Oh, so close.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
There she goes.
What if I do it the other paw? Tana?
Do the other paw.
Tana? No. Please?
Hey!
Are you serious?
Rumple, why are you eating a cucumber? Wow! Rumple! That was mine!
You're stealing my chickpeas.
Get out of there! Gus! Gus likes puffs. No! He's got a hold of it!
No. It's just not fair. You're so sneaky. Get off. No, there's a butt in my face. No, stop it. I want to eat my breakfast. No. Not fair. No action, please.
What are you doing? Have you just been caught? What's that? What you got? Is that the pita bread?
Open, and just like a little came out.
Yeah, help yourself.
I just sat there and I felt it. You know, there's many times where you shit.
I don't blame you. Bagels are good. You want another bite? Ew, don't lick it. It's nasty.
5, 9.
No, wait, Pop, you're. Damn it, you're hitting my car. No.
Milo. Hey! Soji, it's mine. Oh, Jesus. Oh, good Lord. Don't. No. I'll give you some.
Класс. Бежишь домой. Попробуйте.
Мама. Ага, так лишь ногу убери.
Tazi. Stop. Tazi. Come on now, dude. This is my food.
Give Mama the bread. Give Mama the bread back. Squid. squid, come on.